Hello everybody! I have a package from jaykay18. No, this is not the original package it came in. I got in a hurry and threw away the original box before I made the unboxing video. So we're just going to pretend like this is the box it came in. Let's see. Let's open up the box and see what's in. Oh, looks like I've got some soap. Here's bar number 1. This is sandalwood flavor. Oh yeah, that smells real nice. There we go. Locust Grove Soap Company, handmade in Roxbury, New York. Like us on Facebook, Locust Grove Soap Company.com. Phone number and flavor, sandalwood. Nice mold there. Very nice. Bar number 2. This is the sandalwood musk patchouli. So sandalwood is the brown. The musk is in the middle, the lighter color, and the patchouli is up on the top there. You can definitely distinctly tell the difference between the sandalwood and the patchouli. And then the musk is just in the middle there. So combined, that should make a pretty nice shower experience. So I will definitely enjoy having these and put them to use. So once again, big thanks to jaykay18 for sending the couple bars of soap here. And he was planning to do this before he knew I was sending him some soap, so that kind of worked out pretty well. Great minds think alike, I guess. So once again, my Locust Grove Soap Company soaps from jaykay18. Thank you for watching.